Hi there, kids! Today, we're going to have some fun making cute animal faces using paper plates. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's gather everything we need. Paper plates, paint in lots of colours, markers, googly eyes, scissors, and glue. Oh, and don't forget optional items like craft feathers, fabric scraps, or stickers to make it extra special. Got everything? Great! Now, let's choose an animal to make. How about a cat, a dog, or maybe even a lion? Here's an example of a cute cat face I made earlier. Step 1. Paint your paper plate to match your chosen animal. If you're making a cat, maybe use some grey or orange paint. A lion? How about some yellow? Next, let's add some features. Use your markers to draw a nose, a mouth, and any other details like whiskers or a tongue. You can also cut out shapes from paper or fabric for ears and glue them on. Now it's time to add those googly eyes. Stick them on with glue to give your animal a fun expression. You can even add craft feathers or stickers to make it unique. And there you have it, your very own paper plate animal face. Isn't it adorable? Now it's your turn. Get creative and make your own paper plate animals. And don't forget to share your colourful creations with us. I can't wait to see what you make. Bye for now and happy crafting.